Here's a hoop. You need a hoop, Sasha? Look at the snakes from Disney.
I already bought those.
Oh, okay. Reminds me of the Disneyland snakes.
Yeah, I was thinking the same thing.
Nicholas.
There's a couple more over there.
Dishes? Yeah.
I had an orange one, and one Halloween I wore it to work, and one of the employees completely went ballistic and told me I had to take. They called me up to the office and said I had to take it
For
off.
a piece of rubber.
I had to take it off or they'd send me home because the lady
I would have
was,
said send me home.
yeah. Well, this is Emporium Capwell. Remember them?
Yeah, but it's a piece of rubber.
Yeah, but this woman was freaking out.
Well, that's her problem.
I know. That's what I thought.
Yeah.
You find Disney stuff?
Mom literally bought the whole rack of Disney clothes.
What are you asking for the various clothing?
Most of the t-shirts are either 2 or 3, and the sweatshirts 5.
Okay. Jen. This could be your new cup for work. Lots of Disney stuff. They got pop Disneys too. Sasha, did you see the candles? The land of farm animals. Not farm animals, but this alligator's cool. The Muppets. Disneyland 55. Disney World. What's this? It's got lightning on it. You drag it in dirt.
Dress.
Yeah, no, it's kind of weird. But I'll go with you. You're the expert. Please. Jen, did you see the Muppet stuff? Calm yourself down.
Yeah, I had to kind of...
I see that. Your mom's going crazy over there. What's this? What's this? It says Disney, but what is it?
It's a medium. It's a lightning strike, but do you see the Hidden Mickey in there?
I do not, no.
Hold it up.
Oh, I see that. That's kind of cool. Wow, there's a lot of Muppet stuff in here. This Muppet stuff might be,
I made it.
this one's still got a tag on it. It's Kermit. Does Disney own Kermit?
You own the Muppets.
Oh, maybe.
No, what's in your food?
This one.
Oh, maybe I do have it.
Animal Chopper Shop.
I gave you one.
What's the dress worth?
It depends. 60, 100,
What?
200.
Seriously?
Yes.
Okay.
Told you.
No, that's your deal of the day.
But I don't know what it's from.
What about these tops? What do you think of these, Sasha? You're the fashion goddess.
I don't know.
My God, look at this. That's cool.
Oh my god, these pajamas.
Jen. Yeah, it is.
Pajamas.
Jen's all, that's a new box.
Oh my god.
Dropping stuff. Do you have large volume discounts? My wife's going nuts
probably.
over here with
Oh
your
my goodness.
shirts.
Yeah, I'm sure we could figure something.
Okay. And the prices are all, did you say they're 2 or
Yeah, depending on the, they're either 2 or 3.
Depending on the subject matter, or
Yeah, depending on the food itself.
like the Muppet stuff?
Muppets are gonna be 3.
Okay.
Yeah, how much for the candle?
Tasha, can you look up Muppet t-shirts for me?
Why can't you do it?
My hands are numb and my phone's horrible. I need to get a new phone. I'm gonna grab some of the Muppet ones. Sunny days. Captain Hook, Tigger, Pooh Bear. Junk food. Are you ready to figure out where we're at, or you want more? Well, let's figure out where we're at and then see if we can afford any more. I gotta find the lady though that's in charge. Tasha knows this should be good for food. You should scan it. You should have just said, how much for it all? Everything Disney. Hello.
Hi.
Can you give us an idea where we're at?
Yeah.
Let's see, so...
Yeah, they have little stuff in there too.
They had a box of keychains.
Yeah,
They
I'm
were
just
line
thinking about-
bags that you used to get.
Oh wow, that's cool. He's got all his hands
He's got
out.
all his arms out, so I like it.
Well, yeah.
Yeah.
Are you the Disney nut? No? Okay. I was just curious. My wife is, as
Yeah.
you can tell.
I love Disneyland.
Well, she
Yeah,
does
I
too.
love the resort.
Yeah.
Disney, the company, bothers me a little.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But
you don't look at that too close.
No, I just think of Walt and leave it at that.
Yeah.
The giant corporation of Disney that owns everything
I
now.
can't stand that, but I love Disneyland.
Who would have thought they owned Star Wars?
And the Muppets.
And the Muppets.
And
yeah.
ABC.
How much for all 3 of these?
Oh, she's got one of the teacups.
Fine. So I'd go 66 at this point.
All right. Keep looking, Jen.
Do you want me to get you like a bag?
Sure. Yeah, that way it's.
Helpful. Let me go grab.
We don't need the hangers if you need them.
Okay, that'd be great. Yeah.
Here, why don't we help take them off? That's your flip of the day.
There's so many things in here. I will stop looking at my own.
They're all you're gonna fit you too, right? Cause
The hangers. You're
I
not
don't where I'm gonna put the stuff.
in your hand.
Oh,
Hold it in your hand.
Sasha. YouTubers out there, do you see my daughter berating her father? She's brutal, huh?
Oh, this is the animal.
Oh, that's awesome. I might even wear that. What size is that?
It's an XL.
I might want that one personally. I actually do want that one. Jen, what's that? Is that one on top?
Oh, it's a
Oh, thank you.
it's a
That's what I thought. The drawing looked that way. Some of these are new, huh?
Yeah, they are.
You want me to put them back on this rack?
Sure, thanks. Yeah, the Dr. Seuss, that's a band actually.
A band? A rock band?
Yeah.
Really?
What is?
The Dr. Seuss shirt is a band.
Oh, is that remote?
Yep. I'm gonna keep looking.
Wardrobe.
Did you see this, Jen? Sorry. Are the candles all different prices, or are they just...
They're either 2 or 3,
Okay,
depending on
2 or 3. So usually the sizes of
it's actually the scent.
the scent. Okay. Well, we'll definitely take some of these too.
I like this one. I like this one. I don't like any of the like bakery ones. I don't like marshmallow. I like the fruity and I like the
2 or 3. Oh man. Well, grab
Ooh,
the.
this one's sparkly.
Yeah. Take that because you don't want it to run away.
I like this one more though. But it's uglier. Do you like coconut? Good.
New.
Lame. Coconut's like the best scent.
That's a no-brainer. Jen. I hope we brought enough money. How much do we have? $100?
Nice.
What?
She's getting stuff for everyone.
This one.
That's what I want you. Did you see those?
No, I didn't see those.
I don't have enough money.
Let's find out. So all the candles and all that stuff, and then we were at 66. I know that.
Okay. So these are 3. You tell me if you want them or not. This is 2.
67, 70, 2, 4.
Where are we right now?
76.
Okay. I'll give you this one for $1.
78.
This one's 2. 2. 2. This thing is great.
Yeah, it looks very warm.
It's really nice, actually.
We're at 90.
All right, I don't know how much money did you bring.
2.
2.
This guy's 5. The sweatshirts I can't really go less than 5. This one. Why is this in here?
You can keep it. I'm not gonna take something you want.
2. 2.
99, 101. And then we're done.
Okay.
And that's stuff.
Let's see.
So how much
Just
you got
use
on
all
you?
3 for 2, regardless.
Thank you.
6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 17,
That's everything.
18, 19, 20. How about 125? Will that work for
I don't know
everything?
if we have it. Do we have it? Yeah, I think we do. I think we do.
You don't have money?
20, 40, 60, 81, 20, and a 10. Just give me those 130.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you. You made.
Should you put that something like that?
Yeah, we probably can fit everything.
I'll go get the car.
And here's 5.
Awesome.
Thank
There
you
you
so
go.
much.
Thank you. Here, let me help you get some of these. 10.
Oh, we're
Yeah.
okay. If we can
You
do
sure?
it. Yeah,
Okay.
absolutely.
Okay.
I'm gonna go pull my car up.
Thanks, you guys.
And then have your... Thank you. Well, what did you think of that? All the Disney stuff, the Muppets, the candles. You saw the giant pile of stuff for $125, which is insane. So thanks for coming along on our winter edition garage sale in Northern Cal, in a small town. All right, talk to you later.